How to optimize geometry in a few clicks in Unreal Engine 5. So I will show it to you on the example of this bottle. Right now my bottle has more than 2000 triangles, 2770, and it is using 214 of the disk space. So what I will do, I will place this bottle into the scene and put it to the 0 position. After that, here in the left corner, I will select the modeling mode. Then if you will look down here in the miscellaneous sections, we will click on it and you will see the auto load. Click on it. It will start creating the loads for you. By the default, settings are as follows. So as you can see, here is the basically big difference in the quality between the left and right bottle. So this is the original and this is the new created. So what would we do? We will first of all here scroll to the texture baking and we'll select the 2K texture, 2048 per 2048. It will improve a little bit quality. Also here in the simplification, this is in the generation configuration simplification, we will change the geometry tolerance, we will change to the triangle count. Right now I have 1000 triangles set up over here, so this is basically more than 2 times less than the original one. And as you can see, yes, we can see a little bit difference between the two bottles, but if you will place them anywhere on your scene, so it will not be visible, I guess, at all. And it will save you really a lot of space. So after those settings, I'm simply clicking the accept, and it will create me all of the necessary things. After I will save this, I will not save the scene, but I will save only the mesh. And if we will take a look over here, so you will see that immediately the triangles, it has only 768, even I was setting up 1000, but it reduced the number of triangles. And also over here, you can see that here is the huge difference because it reduced it from 2770 to 700, and also it reduced the disk size. So right now my disk size is 60 kilobytes instead of the 214. So I think this is the excellent thing, especially if you have a lot of such prefabs meshes. This is what was about the bottle, but also this is not so perfect on the other things. So for example, over here I have the bad toys corn in condom. And what we can see here in this corn, if I will place this on the scene again, we'll set it up to the 0 position. So it has the 2 different materials. It has the material for the corn and also it has the transparent material for the condom. So if I will do the same action for this, so I will click on the auto load and it will create the load for me. So as you can see, because of the transparent material, it is just creating me nothing behind it. So I was trying to figure out what is going on and I was not able to do it. I was not able to find the response for this. So if you have any idea, if you know why it is happening, so even when I will click accept, nothing will happen. It is creating the material, the textures, everything, but it doesn't create anything under the transparent material. So if you have any idea why it is happening, I will really appreciate your suggestion, your ideas. So I will save this one also, we'll close this, we'll remove this one. And also here is the third thing, which I was trying to do the same and unfortunately had the really very strange result. So also I will need your help in this case if you have any idea why it is happening. So again, I'm clicking on the auto load. It is creating, first of all, it has here the error regarding the material. It doesn't work to accept the material, which I have. And as you can see, immediately the material is really behave very strangely. So this is completely misplaced. And also the settings are the same. We have the texture size 2048. We have the triangle count for the 1000. So let's say the original mesh, it has the more than 5000 triangles. So for example, if I will reduce it twice and will say that I want to use 2500 triangles, it will not help me a lot because the issue with the texture is really horrible. So if you have any idea why it is happening, I will also be very thankful and will appreciate your help for this. So I would like to thank you for being with me in this video. And if you like it, please give me the like, subscribe to my channel to not lose my other videos. And if you have any suggestions, I will really appreciate your help. See you the next time. Love all of you. Bye bye.